So I'm going to have a look at RescuePRO Deluxe. It's good that they give you this free with your SanDisk SD card. So it looks like you wipe, backup, recover all files, recover video, and recover photos. There's some good tools. Don't like it's in this small box though. So I've got files on this USB, so I'll click that. Backup media file. No, so you can actually find an image. So if you back up, so it's got imaging on it, that's good. So we'll just press start. There's 43 files, and it's already found them. So that's good. So they're all there. So how do you recover? Do you select them all? Nope. New scan, properties, output file. Ah, they're already there. Well, it's pretty good. So there was 43 photos on there, and they're all there. Bad news is it's changed all the file names, but you've got your photos back. Yeah, that's a good tool. Basic, but good.